Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can add the items of monday.com as new folders in Google Drive automatically. So guys, if you're a fan of project management and love organizing your works, this automation video is for you, and here we are going to integrate monday.com with Google Drive in such a way that whenever you are going to add any item in monday.com, a folder will be created in Google Drive automatically so that you can afterwards store some things related to that item in Google Drive. Okay, so this will happen automatically to save your time, and you can set up this automation without any coding. Let me show you how you can do this. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that, you have to sign in, and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect right here. And from here, guys, you can click on this Create Workflow button to set up your workflow. Here you can give a name to your workflow as well so that you can know what type of workflow is that and what's inside. So I'm giving the name here as monday.com to Google Drive. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up this automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start a workflow, and the action would be the automated response or the consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, here creating an item in monday.com will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be to create a folder in Google Drive. Okay, so when you click here on the trigger section, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here monday.com is our trigger application where we are creating an item. Okay, so you have to search for monday.com here. Okay, then you have to select it, and you have to select the trigger event as new item in board. Select this option. Okay, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to create a connection with monday.com by following these steps written here, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So let me show you how you can create this connection. First of all, you need to reach your monday.com account. This is my monday.com application. Here is my profile icon, and from here you will find this integrations option. Click on it. Under integrations page, when you scroll down, you will find this webhooks tab. Click on it. Under webhooks, you have to select the board in which you are creating the items like this, and then you have to select an event here. So you can see here is an event: when an item is created, send a webhook. So you have to click on add to board. Okay, and here, guys, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got. So our webhook URL is already pasted here. Let me delete it. Okay, let me delete this, and here let me paste this URL. Just copy it, paste it here. Okay, and after pasting this URL, click on connect button, and you can see when an item is created, send a webhook, it is connection is created. Now you can click on add to board. Right, and this connection is added to the board. Now you can close this window, and here you can see, guys, as we have copied this webhook URL, here it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means you need to create an item manually inside a board in monday.com, and the data of that item will be fetched here in this response section. Okay, let me show you that. Here is my board. Here is my board, and here are the tables or lists. Okay, so in this list, let me create a item. So I am adding the name of the item as, let's say, new integration. Okay, and here let me provide some details as well. All right, so I have added the details and the item is created. Now let us see in our workflow if we got the data captured, and here you can see we got the data captured as new integration. Okay, right. So we got the name of the item that just got created. Now for this same item, I want to create a folder in Google Drive. For that, just click here on this plus icon. Oh, sorry, just click here on this action step, and here you have to search for Google Drive. Here it is. Then select the action event as create a file or folder. Select this option, then click on connect. From this window, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. And from this window, you have to select that Google account by which you have access to that drive. So I'm selecting that account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. Just click on allow here. And you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking for the file's name. So file or folder's name. So here we are going to use this data that we have received from monday.com. So I'm going to map this name label here in this file name field. Just click here and the trigger step will appear in the drop down. So click on it and map this name of the item. Then here you have to select the file type as drive folder. Okay. So folder will be created. Now you can check your connection with your drive by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new folder will be created here. This is my drive. Okay. So right now I do not have any folder here. Let me just click on save and send test request button. And here is the response we have received. Let me show you my drive now if we got a new folder. And here you can see a new folder is created with this name new integration. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, whenever you are going to create a new item in your board in monday.com, the folder like this will be created automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.